Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use this new AI image generator for 2024. And right now, it's gonna be called Instant ID, and this is just the landing page of what you can see as a default. So, before we get started on the actual work or actual progress, I'm gonna show you how it works. Basically, you put an image, and then you can choose a style. If you're familiar with Midjourney or any other image generator, if you're familiar with Let's Go AI, it's much like the image to image option for this one. As you can see on this examples, we put Taylor Swift on the second photo, and then on the following photos, it has different styles. Now we're gonna use it as it is, and basically, let's start using it. So this is gonna be the website landing page, okay? I'm gonna go now to the exact landing page of the workplace. And right now, this is technically the proper editing platform of Instant ID. And right here, we have three slots to put an image. So first things first, I'm gonna put in on a reference photo on this side. I'll put the photo right there. Let me just look for a photo that I want. I think I'm gonna go with my favorite one, this one right here. I got this one on Pexels, by the way. And then on the lower side, I'm gonna upload another photo. So please wait, I'm gonna explain how it works. So basically, on the top section, put the photo that you want your output to look like. And the second photo is gonna be the one it copies. So the idea here is that second photo is the following, or let's just say reference. First one is gonna be the original. So this first one should look on the left side or right side, because it's gonna be following the direction of the second photo. However, it's still gonna be a female. That's gonna be the idea here. Now, to help it a little bit more, add a prompt. So let's just say a lady in profile. Let me just do it like that. And then for the template, I'm gonna go for watercolor. If you want jungle, Mars, vibrant color, please go for it. You can also choose no style, but I'm gonna go for watercolor right there. And then identity net strength. Basically, this is the intensity on how the image would look like based on the prompt. Image adapter strength, this is how much it will adapt on the second photo. On this example, it will adapt on how much it will look on the right side, because I'm putting a photo facing front, right? So since if we increase this one, it will look on the right side much further. Basically, that's the basic idea there. So for the advanced options, these are the negative prompts. There is already auto-generated ones. So I'm going to remain it as it is. And number of sample steps, I'm going to remain it as it is. I'm not actually going to touch anything in the advanced options, but if you want to adjust your guidance scale, please do so. But please take note, 5 to 7 is the sweet spot for guidance scale. Now let's start clicking submit right now. So welcome back. This is now going to be our new photo. As you can see, as I mentioned earlier, it will still be a female with the features of the original photo, such like the chin, the nose and the lips, and maybe even the eyes. Now it's looking on the right side because it's following the second photo. That's the idea there. Now for some reason, let's try some more example. Let me just remove this one, remove that one, and basically if you want to download the output, of course click on the download button right there. It will automatically download on your PC without no problem. Now let's try another one. So let's try another example. I'm gonna upload another photo here. Again, the one you're uploading right now will be the base photo. So let me just look for a sample base photo right here. I think I'm going right now for a guy. And the second photo would be the one that's gonna copy. So now I'm gonna look for a pose. Basically with this one, I'm gonna look again on the right side. So on the second one, make sure it's gonna be a different angle or different pose that you want the first photo to copy. Basically that's it. And now from the previous video, we can increase some identity strength here or image adapter. Now let's try increasing the parameters here for the identity net strength, for fidelity, and for detail. I'm gonna go with adapter strengths here, add some more 2 bars over here, and then the next one, add some 2 more. So basically I'm going for 1 and 1 right here. And let's try submitting it right now. And also, almost forgot, let's try a photo in profile. Let's try putting a prompt right there, click submit, and basically wait for it to finish. This will take around 5 minutes because we increased the parameters Anyway, I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the photo, and as you can see right now, it became a little bit more cinema-like, or rather referencing the second photo a bit more further. But again, there are gonna be some usage tips here. For example, if you're still unsatisfied with the similarity, increase the weight of the control net. Again, if you want to increase, there's gonna be a maximum limit of 1.5. I suggest the maximum on my end would be 1.2. For the both of them, that would be my sweet spot. Now for some example, let's just try submitting one more and check the references and compare the two, and then I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is now going to be your final photo, and as you can see right now, it became a bit more clear. It became a little bit more detailed regarding the chin and the face. It's getting more similar than the first one. And that being said, you can still play around with this one. You can maximize it as you see fit. But again, I suggest 1.2 would be the sweet spot. Anyway, if you're satisfied, again guys, click download. With no hassle, no payment, you'll download that photo on your PC. Anyway, let's move on. I'm gonna look for a sample photo right there. I think I'm still gonna go with a woman. Now for this one, it's gonna be facing front. And then, I'm gonna use a guy. So I'm gonna extend or check on the limit of this AI. As you can see, this is a pretty hard task. Second one is flexing his muscles. First one is just opening a store. Let's try submitting it. I'm just gonna change this one, a lady in profile. I think I'm gonna state as it is. Submit it right there. And it's now acquiring some GPU. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is now gonna be our new photo. And as you can see right there, it's not technically flexing because it's only following on how the pose of the second photo is. So we now found out the limit of this AI. So it's just gonna follow how it's posing. It's looking on the left a little bit since it's flexing, and the output is also looking a bit on the left. Now here are some tips. So for example, if you're unsatisfied with the similarity, increase the weight of the control net. If your AI generated image is oversaturated, decrease the IP adapter scale. Now these are the things that you do on the metrics to make it look proper. And basically again, if you want to download this one, simply click on that button right there and you'll be good to go. And that's it. That's how you use this new AI generation tool for 2024. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.